Hello, and thank you for popping into my website. I want to talk today about book 6 in the Willow's Dip series. This was never intended to be written, but book 5, Not Reported Missing, ended at the time that the coronavirus broke out in March 2020. And I just thought, how will my villagers cope with the coronavirus? So don't cough on me, just had to be written. I'll read a short section because, as anybody who lived through it will know, that in the UK at least, toilet rolls were in short supply. So here's an amusing little tale about toilet rolls. This is, with each one, I've gone with certain characters in the book with each chapter. So this is chapter 10, Celia and Charles. Again, my formatter, the book Khaleesi, has done a lovely job. She's got the little coronavirus molecule there. So I really like that little touch. So Charles is called to see Celia, his next door neighbour. Ta-da! I've got you some toilet rolls, said Charles to Celia as he stepped through her front door to join her for their morning coffee. Fabulous, thank you. Where did you manage to secure those little gems? They're like gold dust. Home bargains. I was very sensible and only got us a pack each. Plus they had hand sanitizer, so I got us both a bottle of that too. Excellent, thanks. It's so annoying that people are stocking up on loads of them and leaving none for anyone else. If everybody shopped normally, there'd be enough for everyone. How much do I owe you? Consider them a lockdown gift. Just this once then, thank you, but if you get me anything else, you must let me pay. Can't have you buy my stuff. Okay then. What a thing to be short of. Toilet rolls. It would be laughable if it weren't for the threat of being caught short, wouldn't it? All I can say is there must be a lot of people with very well polished arses. Celia laughed. You're so funny. Come on through and I'll make coffee. Do you want a chocolate hobnob? Why not? Let's live dangerously. So there we are, the toilet roll shortage of 2020. All books are available on Amazon in paperback and ebook. Well, paperback, probably best to go to the publisher, feederread.com. Let me see if I can find it. Can't find it, but anyway, feederread.com is the publisher. The postage and packing is about the same as Amazon. And it's more reliable than the paperbacks on Amazon. Amazon mess about with the prices and put ridiculous prices on the paperback. Anyway, thank you for listening. Enjoy your day and have a little look. See what you think. See if you like my Willow's Dip series.